Hello and welcome to the New Year's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Jamaican actor Jareen Pinnock will make an appearance in the upcoming season of the popular television series Power. The actor joins the cast to play the role of a distant cousin to the children of the lead character Ghost, played by Omari Hardrick. The Power feature is the Spanish Town native's biggest highlight. However, the actor remains focused on his professional acting career. New direction for comedian, actress, singer and songwriter Bella Blair. The singer, having toured with popular reggae acts including Queen Africa, is now focusing on her musical brand. She shares with us the details on her latest projects.
Well, a lot of people know me now for my presence online on social media doing comedy skits, and some already know me for doing music, as I was in Rising Stars back in the day in 2010. I came fifth. But yes, some people know the singer Bella, but not all the people who have been following me from comedy know as yet. And so I decided that, you know, it's time for me to chase this dream of mine. I've always had it from I was a kid, and comedy was a buck-up thing. So I was like, you know, it's time to chase my dreams, chase after the music thing. I've been writing songs and been in the studio producing and trying to find my sound before I present it to the world. So that's basically what I've been doing, you know, trying to find myself, trying to find my sound, writing my songs, producing my songs, and preparing to release them. In my songs, I try to tell stories, I try to be relatable, you know, in everyday life. Women and men, you know, everybody go through the motion of life, and I try to just tell stories. Our latest song, my newest song, I Can Do Better, it's kind of a cuss-out video. Watch yourself, anything that you can do when we're in a relationship, I can do it better.
And that's it for the New Year's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Happy 2018.